Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So in this video, what we'll be going over is Nowsite 2.0 and how much it costs and like how you can get it. So you may have seen me talk about a little bit in the past few weeks about Nowsite 2.0, and I'm going to show you how you can get it and go over some of the little features, what it is, and basically how you get this stuff and how much it costs. So Nowsite 2.0, the easiest marketing system ever, now powered by the AI of chatgpt 3. That's Nowsite 2.0. So they actually are doing a promotion right now. As you can see, 50% off Nowsite Unlimited, but we're going to go a little bit deeper to what everything is included. So with that, we'll go into what you get and everything, but we're going to touch on this one first. Nowsite 2.0, now powered by the power of AI of chatgpt 3. Now, if you are not familiar with the demos or what it can do, or chatgpt 3 and the significance of it, go ahead, where's right over there? Go ahead and click that link right there later on, or whenever you want to. Come back to this video later, but click that link right there because that will explain and you will see firsthand what it can do for your business and just in general. It's so cool. So Nowsite 2.0. They're doing promotion, 50% off of Nowsite Marketing, and then Nowsite 50% off Nowsite Unlimited. Now they are doing so basically that's what you're getting right there, 50% off. So Nowsite Marketing is actually, how much is that going for right now? Let's see. I'm gonna get started, and you'll see right here. So that's annual. So you have annual or monthly. You can do either or. If you want to go month to month, you can do month to month. If you want to go annual, you can actually pay it all up front. Boom, that's it. Now, there is no contracts, okay? There is no contracts, no cancellation fees. You can cancel at any time. That's the beauty of this. One of the beauties of this thing is that if you don't like it, or let's say you don't have time to do, something happens because it's so simple that it literally is giving you your time back. Or something happens that you have to cancel, you can do so. Now, Nowsite Marketing is $49 a month. So 50% off $49, you're looking at, use code 24. So you get $24 for the month. So instead of paying $49, you're paying $24. If you want to do it for a year, code 240. You get pay $240 for the year for just marketing. Now I say that because I'm going to explain the difference of that one too, because I don't want people getting confused. I'm like, well, what's the difference, Ryan? Isn't it the same thing? Don't you the same thing in both? Yes and no, and we'll go over that later. So with that, then you have Nowsite Unlimited. That's $99 a month, or annual. It breaks down. That's $984 annual. So this package right here is the most popular. It's the package I currently have. And what's nice is that I'll go over a little bit what it was included. So not only do you get marketing, you get everything that's in marketing, you also get unlimited prospects. Targeted prospects, that's key, and unlimited marketing services. So if you want a website created by their team, they'll create it for you. An email campaign, basically all this stuff right here, they'll create it for you unlimited. So that's what's cool about that, the services. And yeah. What else? The contact unlimited prospect unlimited targeted prospects. Sorry about that. That's key. We'll go over that more too of what that includes. You can actually refer back to some of my older videos about what that is. It used to be called SalesFlow. Now they just bundle everything together. Nowsite Unlimited. So this, I do recommend this package right here because if you're in business, you want leads, you want targeted prospects, and you want some way to market to them and constantly market to them and automate the system to market to them. So not only with that, you actually get all that, but now it's integrated with chatgpt 3. And that is cool because the stuff that chatgpt 3 is doing is mind-blowing, guys. Mind-blowing. So that's the price you're looking at. And this is good for a whole year. It says right here, sign before January 26th, get early access, AI beta access, February 2nd. So I actually have had the privilege to test this out. I had early access to it, to the beta of the AI system, and it's amazing. My last video, I actually did one about that, and you can probably find that on the page. Just go ahead and check that one out too. So new customers only, price locked in for a year. and was considered a new customer. Maybe you had tried Nowsite of 3 years ago, or 2 years ago, whatever it may be. New customer is 6 months or older. So anything that if you haven't been with Nowsite within 6 months, you're considered a new customer. Now, going into this, when you sign up, like we'll say we'll go with unlimited. You click on the link in the description or in the pinned comment. Click on that, and that'll take you to this website right here where we're at. Then you click on that portion where we was just a minute ago, and it'll take you to this. Then you just create your profile, put everything in here. Promo code 49, and then hit apply. Look at that. You're now locked in. You just got 50% off Nowsite Unlimited. Beautiful. Don't wait on this one because I'm going to be doing a special thing with this. You don't want to miss out. So seriously, guys, don't wait, because I'm pretty sure they've been doing a promotion. They actually had a contest they put on hold for this because this is such a big deal. You don't want to miss out on this one, guys. For another fact that with where is that? Nowsite, you're looking at. Where are we at? With Nowsite, you're looking at the unlimited target prospects. It won't be unlimited after the 1st of February. So you'll have limited. So you want to get in now. And that's the bonus of this one, and you won't have to pay anything extra for that one. So it's key, guys. It's key that you don't wait on this one. Get in there. If you have any questions or concerns, or you need help getting going on, and you want to see this, comment in the description. Message me. My number's in the description as well. Call me. That's my direct line. I'll be happy to answer because I'm actually hands-on with this. I am active with my YouTube channel, my comment section. I'm active. People call me, text me. I help them get them going, help them build their team, all this stuff like that. Whatever they need to do using the system. We have training, weekly training, Mondays, and and Nowsite actually does training too on all this stuff like that as well. So we help you get going. And you know what? Do me a favor. If this is your first time checking out one of my videos, do me a huge favor. Hit that big red button below, and right next to it is a little bell. Hit that little bell and hit all, because anytime I put out any new content, YouTube is going to send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul put out a new video. You like this last one? I'm pretty sure you're going to like this one too. So yeah, guys, that's what the whole deal for this one is. You heard the promotion. You're looking at half off for any package for just marketing. You're looking at 24. Type in 24 in the promo. If it's you're looking at Nowsite Unlimited, type in 49. I highly recommend Nowsite Unlimited because that's the best bang for your buck, and you get so much more with that one. It's a no-brainer. And this will be, the AI will be included, chatgpt will be included. So this is huge. You don't want to miss on this one, guys. Jump on this. So with that, I think that covers everything on the price and what you get. So if you have any questions, you know what to do. So until the next one, guys, take care, be safe, and be blessed.